Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a brand new look I created for my beautiful daughter Chimamanda. This is a boho braid hairstyle and it's actually my first time of attempting this hairstyle and I'm thrilled with how it turned out. I know, right? So I started off by sectioning the hair into 3 unequal parts. That way making the hairstyle will be much more easier for me. As for the coils, the extensions that I used, I wasn't too sure if it was going to tangle or not. I just bought it from the market, but honestly I'm not going to use that extension again because the coil is later tangled. It tangled, not that much anyway, but maybe next time if I want to make this boho hairstyle again, I'm going to use more of a weave on that is wavy. I think that's what I'm going to do. The seller reassured me that it wasn't going to tangle, although it didn't tangle like up to a week or so. Then after a week it started tangling, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it again. Anyway, back to our hairstyle. So this is me making the hairstyle. This is actually my first time of making the hair, so please sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Watch till the end to see the final reveal, the final look. I sincerely want to appreciate everyone on this space who have supported me in one way or the other. To all my amazing subscribers, thank you all so much and I love you a lot. If you are seeing this video, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please watch till the end and tell me what you feel about this hairstyle. And to think that I was actually in a haste when I was making this hairstyle because I had a lot to do that very day. So I started off in the morning like around 9 and before 12 o'clock we were done with the hairstyle. in a heat when I was making this hairstyle, and it still came out nice. I'm really proud of myself. And please pardon me if this video is not well detailed enough. I didn't even have time to like take pictures or make videos make videos of the outcome and all that. But then again, please manage this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Will you be trying out this hairstyle on your lovely kids or anybody at all? This was like day 3 of making the hairstyle. Yeah, thank you for watching it up to this point. Until my next video, stay safe out there and make the right choices always. See you in my next one. Bye.